So I thought it would be fun today to do a little bit different of a video. I have the day off today, so come along with me. We're gonna crochet a lot, finish up some works in progress that I have. But first, I need caffeine. So I'm gonna take you along to my favorite tea shop. And we'll come back to finish this up. If you like anime, then you probably know what character this is. But I'm actually working on 6 different whips right now. So I'll show you those later today. This is today's fit. Ignore my dirty mirror. I love these two-tone pants. And then honestly, I'm wearing a turtleneck because I'm breaking out. A London Fog latte, and I forgot how good they are. Also, don't worry, Mr. Wonder Crochet is driving, so we're safe. We are headed to the thrift shop now, so I'll see if I can find some yarn there and maybe some cute clothes. I love these glasses, but then I saw that they had people's names etched in the back, so I didn't end up getting them. And the yarn selection was pretty small today, so I didn't end up getting yarn either, but it is nice that they have it here. I love these finds. Please look at this lunchbox. It's so cute. We're back, and I immediately put comfy pants on. Oh wait. The ambiance. So I love going to that cute tea shop, and I got a London Fog latte. I hadn't had one in so long and kind of forgot how much I love Earl Grey tea. Do you think that it tastes like Fruit Loops if you're a tea drinker? Because I think that it does, and that's why I like it so much. Let me know. So we didn't find much at the thrift shop, but I love that cute little thrift shop. And you never know what you're gonna find. Honestly, I was hoping that I would find some, you see people on TikTok all the time going to thrift stores and finding like national park sweatshirts. That's what I was looking for specifically, but didn't find any. Usually you find them in the men's section. The men's section at this thrift shop was really small. However, I did get the Hello Kitty lunchbox. Honestly, it's really cute. It's not in perfect condition. She's definitely banged up a little bit, but I think it'll look so cute in the craft room. I don't know where I'm gonna put it yet, but it's really cute. I'll do a close-up of it. So now that I'm back home and comfy, I think I'm gonna get a snack and start working on some of the works in progress that I have, and I'll show you what I'm making. Although one of them I want to keep a secret till it's done. Okay, so you saw this kind of this morning. This is Mr. Chimera from Spy Family, if you're an anime fan. I just have to sew the pieces together. I didn't sew the wings on yet. They're pinned in place, so I'll do that now. And then I just need to do the face details. But this is for an art trade with a friend of mine, and I'm loving how it's turning out, so I think I'll release it as a free pattern for you all. So that's how it looks with the wings attached, and there's a little tail. Also, I love watching Animal Crossing tours while I'm crocheting. This one is Katie on Calico. She's one of my favorites. So next I'm going to make the little snout. I'll make that with this light pink color. So here it is. After I sewed this on, I didn't film myself sewing it because I was full on hunchback, just making sure that it was in the right spot. I pinned it several times just to make sure it was centered, and I had to take it out. It was, as we crocheters know, sewing is just not not the best part about crocheting. And this one is so heavy, unfortunately. And I just need to add the felt details, so the nose and the eyes and maybe some stuff right here on the tail. I wanted to show you some of my other works in progress though, but I want to keep some of them a secret because it's kind of more fun that way. I'll let you in on some of them. So we have this one here and this one. So I've made Winnie the Pooh, Piglet, and Eeyore, and those are all free patterns on my blog. You know Tigger's coming next. Honestly, I'm struggling with this one. I'm struggling with the head shape and the face and the color changes. It's just a little bit more involved than the other ones were. So I'm hoping to get this done this weekend. We shall see. The next work in progress is, shh, don't tell. No, I don't really care. So I showed you all of my animal backpacks, and I've been wanting to make this for so long. This is going to be a dinosaur backpack. As you can see, I really just started it. The body shape is a little bit different from my other backpacks, so this one's taking just a little bit longer. I've frogged it several times, but yeah, this will be a dinosaur backpack, and I'm really excited about it. So I'm hoping to get this done maybe next week. If I work really hard, maybe this weekend, but we'll see. Those are 3 of my works in progress. 2 of them I definitely want to keep a secret. What's my last one? Oh, I'll show you. So if you're a Disney fan and you've been to Disney World, then you know who Figment is. This is actually an old pattern of mine. I made this, I don't know, maybe 2 years ago. And I decided to revamp it. So the first time I made it with medium yarn because that's what I started out with. And I wanted to redo it in the super bulky yarn. Just kind of, you know, revamp the pattern a bit. It needed some love. I actually went through and I updated all of my patterns recently, which was a doozy. But this one just needed some extra love. So body, there's the tail, and then I made the feet. I have to make the arms and then the wings too, since he's a little dragon. So this one will be in my shop, and I'm hoping to finish this one this weekend. I can't work on one project at a time. My brain just won't let me. This will be a cute one. I'm excited. Also, I've done a video before about my works in progress bin. I'll link it in the description, but I kind of wanted to show you what it looks like right now. It's a mess, and this doesn't even include the 6 projects that I'm working on right now. There's so many. This is a hippo, the Grinch. He's almost done. I just didn't finish it. I have no idea what this was going to be. This was a teddy bear. Actually, I think I'll finish this one because I love this color. And then look how far I got on this backpack. So there's the head. And then there's the body. This was going to be an axolotl backpack. You know what? I think I'm gonna finish this one. Axolotls aren't as popular as they used to be. It's so cute. Oh, and my stitch marker. I was looking for this one. It's a cute little donut stitch marker. See what you find. There's all kinds of stuff in here, and I really need to go through it and frog the ones that I'm not going to do. Like, what was this? A pig, maybe? Comment down below which of these I should actually finish. I lost the axolotl head that I just dropped. Honestly, I can't find it anywhere. Am I going crazy? It rolled all the way under the bed to the other side of the room. Don't worry, we're good. Now, since I've finished him, I am going to type up the crochet pattern. So this is the boring part, but I'm excited to get it out to all of you. This is perfect timing because I just got one of my yarn orders. This one's from Michaels. I'm also waiting for one from Premier Yarns. It smells weird. Okay. The box smells so bad. I'm not trying to be dramatic. Why does it smell like that? Michaels, what did you do? This is not my full order. I got Sweet Snuggles Light, and this is Peach Pink. I didn't really need this one, I just thought it was a pretty color. White, of course. Pink. This one is a lot like the Ballet Pink from Premier. It's just nice that these skeins are so much bigger than the Premier ones. And then here's the color that I really need. It's this gray color. And this is for one of my secret projects. Honestly, I think I'm gonna need like 3 of these to finish the project. It just shows what a doozy the project is. Hopefully I'll be able to finish it. It's labor intensive. You'll see when I release it. I'm excited. Ew, I have to get this stinky box out of here. So I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. I'm just going to type up my pattern and work on some of my works in progress. If you want to see them, head over to my Instagram. I post everything there, and also I post everything on my TikTok. So give me a follow. And if you like this style of video, let me know in the comments. And also I'm due for a new tutorial, so let me know what you want to see next. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today, and we'll see you real soon.